So if you are doing memberships on your Shopify site, like Carnivore Snacks is here, one thing to look at is that your membership item, even if it's defined as not being a physical item in Shopify as a product, it still has to be fulfilled. Otherwise, it'll show up as unfulfilled in the back end. The customer could see that and get a little confused. So this workflow is going to auto fulfill those line items. And the way it works is that in this step here, you can define the SKU that you want to auto fulfill. That's one in this particular case. And it's going to, on order created, it's going to loop over those line items, check to see if that happens to be the SKU in question. And if it's not already fulfilled, it will go ahead and create a fulfillment. And then we're going to also go ahead and tag that just for good measure, in case you want to look those up easily. And that's how it works. So when you're done with it, you'll see that nice fulfilled status on the line item. And that's pretty much it. You can download that here. As always, you can see these on the automation demo section of the site, and you can take that for a spin. If you'd like any help setting that up, feel free to reach out and we'd be happy to help.